An exhaust system in disrepair can lead to decreased performance, increased emissions, and a failed emissions test. If your car starts sounding like a roaring lion, it might have an exhaust leak. This can lead to a drop in fuel efficiency and potentially allow harmful gases to enter your vehicle's cabin. Inspect your exhaust system for rust or holes, especially if you live in areas with harsh weather or salted roads. Small leaks can often be patched, but more extensive damage may require parts of the exhaust to be replaced. Don't ignore this critical aspect of car maintenance. For a detailed guide on exhaust repair, visit senseinsider.com.